In the simplest terms, KIT delivers inclusive practices. We teach people how to be inclusive in their programs.
Schools, extracurricular activities, camps, youth programs, teen centers, wherever kids are, KIT wants to be there to help those staff learn how to include kids with disabilities.
I took some special ed classes while in college, but it's never the real deal until you are actually doing it.
And unfortunately, in our careers, teachers they don't have this confidence of being experts and professionals because of just what we do. We're down on the ground, we're with kids, we're painting, but I really want them to understand they are professionals, they are experts, and KIT's having that as a resource really empowers them and supports them and makes them feel like they are the experts that they are.
It makes our parents comfortable, it makes our children comfortable, as well as our staff, because they feel prepared. So it helps us to include children that may not get the opportunity to have that same kind of care somewhere else because we're equipped to do it.
I've seen a lot of confidence being built throughout the employees here through the trainings and also the support calls that were given to the program and to the staff. A lot of the staff do feel more confident in handling challenging behaviors that may arise in the program.
Having those strategies, that's part of your toolbox.